KG5EIU. Going to show you how to use a virtual map application on the iPhone and the NTMS Rover KML file. First, let's talk about the app. Go out here to the App Store. There's an app out there called Theodolite. Here it is right here. This is the app I'm talking about. It's got in-app purchases, but you can download it for free here. So go grab that app. I've got it open. I can open it here, which it looks like this. But before we can do that, let's go back out to the NTMS site. And there's a KML file out there that has all the beacons listed, as well as rover locations in a KML file. And it's right here. It's rover info. You want to grab this file, and there's a file that says KML file of Theodolite markers. And so what you want to do is we want to save this in a location that you can get at it inside the app. And so what we'll do is we'll go to download, and that downloads to my iPhone. Now we can go back out and we can go to the file browser inside Apple, and it's going to be down here in your download directories right there, 1207. I just downloaded. See, 1208, it's right there. There's the file. It's in my download directory on my iCloud drive. Now if we go back out into the map application, go back over here, here we are here, and you don't see the map or the camera view because of the iPhone mirroring app that I'm using to record this video with. But if you go into map up here, well, first you can go to prefs and you can set your prefs how you want. I want feet and that sort of thing. But go into the map location here, and you can see I've already imported some things. And the import is right here. It's underneath this little flag. So I can delete all my markers, and they're gone. Right? I have none. This, when you download the app, this is what you're gonna have. Now we've saved that file, so we go to import markers. We're out here on my iCloud drive. We go to the download directory, and there's the KML file, and then it imports. And there's the markers. And so if you click on these dots, you can move the map around, and you click on these dots, they'll tell you what they are. There's the W5HN Denton Beacon, there's the McKinney Water Tower. I think if I option click, I can zoom out even more. Maybe it's command click. Here we go. And so now you can see all these map markers where all these rover locations are. And then the other thing, you know, that map that file, that the KML file, it's just a text file. And so if I go out here on my iCloud drive, right here, this is on my local drive, and it's in my download directory. Actually, it's out here in, I think it's in Theodolite. Let's see here. There it is there. So that KML file, it's nothing more than a text file. So I can open it with text edit. And this is what it looks like. Just a text file. And you can edit this thing. It's an XML file, so you kind of got to know what the format is. But if you look through this, it's kind of like HTML, but this is XML. Everything between placemark and /placemark right here is an example of a location. That's the Burleson, so it's using coordinates, not grid squares. So you're going to have to convert your, and you can add a line to this and re-import it, delete the markers, and that sort of thing. And so it's a really cool app, and that's what I wanted to show you, is how to import that KML file from the NTMS website into the Theodolite app here on your iPhone. 7.3 from KG5 EIU.